Hello, this is Lin and Mei from CandyLabs. Today we're bringing you another candy making video. Today we'll be making a 7-kilogram batch of candy. The design will be a sushi or maki roll. There will be 5 ingredients in our sushi candies. There will be crab, egg omelette, cucumber stripes, salmon, and rice. But all made of candy. We're adding the citric acid now. This is a strawberry-kiwi flavored candy, so it's fairly sour. Now we're pouring all these candies from the pots onto the table so we can cool them more evenly, faster. This white right here is gonna be our rice for the sushi. And the black on top is gonna be our seaweed. Now we're folding the candies on the granite table. This helps us to cool down the sugar evenly and also mix well the color and the flavor as well. I guess you can say I'm preparing the rice for our sushi, and Mei is preparing the seaweed. Now I'm gonna stretch our rice, the white candy, on the hook. A lot of viewers ask me why do I put white colors in the white, since we can just stretch the candy to white. The reason for that is very simple. We can make the white even whiter and brighter. Right now I'm stretching this piece of candy on the hook. This is what we use to stretch a bigger portion of candy where we can't stretch by hand. We're gonna stretch this piece about 120 times to give us the perfect texture and the color. And 120. Look at that, how beautiful it is. you can see, we're stretching the smaller portion on the hot table. This way it doesn't cool off too fast. Believe it or not, it actually requires more physical strength than we stretch it on the hook. So right now, Mei is stretching the salmon, which is made of orange and white. I'm doing the pink part. That's gonna be our crab meat. So right now we're working on the crab meat piece. We're gonna make it a triangular shape, just for the fun of it. Put the two little white triangles beside it to maintain its shape. So right now I am making the omelette part of the maki. It's going to be a square shape inside the maki. We will place this one on top of the crab meat that we make. She is making the salmon piece inside the maki. That is going to be a quite complicated one. Now we're using these two kinds of green to make the cucumber part of the maki rolls. There will be about 8 stripes of cucumber slice inside the roll. We're gonna wrap this cucumber shaped rectangle with the white to separate them. Then we're gonna stretch them into 8 and stick them back on together. Now we have 2 pieces. I'm gonna continue to stretch and then cut them again so that we could have 4. Now I'm gonna put the 8 cucumber stripes next to our crab and omelette. Just like in the real sushi, the ingredient in the middle is going to be covered by a layer of rice, which is our white candy right here. Alright, time to assemble. While she's making the sushi roll round, I'm gonna make the final touch, the seaweed wrap around the maki roll. Now let's make this giant sushi roll small. This is where the magic happens, guys. The gravity will help us pull the candy. Thank you very much for watching our videos. You can now book workshops online where we teach you how to make your own sushi candies. Come visit us. We're located in downtown Montreal. Have a sweet day. Au revoir.